Worst number 5. Tesla Model S, 2012 to 2015. The pioneer that will bankrupt you. The original Model S changed the automotive industry forever. But proving a concept and building a reliable long-term vehicle are two completely different things. According to Tesla Motors Club data tracking more than 8,000 early vehicles, drive unit failure rates on 2012 to 2014 models exceeded 30% before 100,000 miles. Tesla silently revised the drive unit design 3 separate times, an admission buried in service bulletins most owners never saw. Replacement out of warranty costs $8,000 to $13,000. The 85 kilowatt-hour battery pack degrades faster than any Tesla battery produced since, with many examples losing 25 to 30% capacity by 80,000 miles. The retractable door handles fail constantly, at $500 to $800 per handle. This is a vehicle for collectors who understand what they are buying, not for anyone who needs reliable daily transportation. But wait until you hear worst number 4. This one is still being sold right now, and buyers are walking into the trap every single day. Worst number 4. Tesla Model X, 2016 to 2020. The Falcon Wing nightmare that never ends. The Model X promised sports car performance, SUV practicality, and spacecraft technology. What it delivered was one of the most expensive ownership experiences in the entire automotive industry. According to Consumer Reports reliability surveys spanning 6 consecutive model years, Falcon Wing door failures remain the single most reported issue across all Tesla vehicles ever produced. Sensor failures, motor failures, hinge failures. Repairs cost $1,500 to $4,000 per door, and 40% of Model X owners in this generation experienced failures more than once. But the doors are a distraction from the deeper problem. The third-row seating mechanism requires dealer repairs costing $600 to $1,200. The panoramic windshield develops stress cracks without any impact, and replacement costs $2,500 to $3,500. The fatal eMMC media control unit failure can disable the screen, the climate control, the rear camera, and every safety system at once. Repair costs $1,500 to $2,500. According to RepairPal, average annual repair costs for this generation exceed $4,200, completely eliminating any fuel savings. But worst number 3 involves a Tesla that looks perfect on paper and destroys owners financially within 2 years. Worst number 3. Tesla Model 3, 2017 to 2019. The beta test you paid $45,000 to participate in. The Model 3 launched with 400,000 reservations before a single production vehicle existed. The execution was a financial disaster. Tesla openly admitted production was partially completed in a tent outside the Fremont factory. Panel gaps were so severe and consistent that Consumer Reports, which planned to recommend the Model 3 sight unseen, reversed course specifically due to build quality failures. Water intrusion through improperly sealed door seams caused electrical damage, costing $1,500 to $3,000 to repair. Paint was applied so thinly that stone chips penetrated to bare metal within months. The eMMC chip inside every early Model 3 manages every function through the touchscreen, literally everything. When it fails, the car becomes dangerously compromised. Tesla settled a class action lawsuit over this failure. According to Consumer Reports, the 2017 and 2018 Model 3 ranked in the bottom 10% of all vehicles sold in America. Early buyers paid premium prices and then spent $3,000 to $7,000 in repairs to reach the standard the car should have met when it left the factory. But wait until you hear worst number 2. Tesla's own service data confirms this failure rate, and they buried it in a bulletin most owners have never seen. Worst number 2. Tesla Model S Plaid, 2021 to 2022. The world's fastest financial mistake. The Model S Plaid is one of the greatest performance automobiles ever built. 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds, a quarter mile in 9.2 seconds. It is also an ownership disaster for anyone who uses it the way Tesla's own marketing says to use it. The tri-motor powertrain, producing 1,020 horsepower, is extraordinarily heat-sensitive. According to documentation from the drag racing community on Tesla Motors Club, Repeated performance launches generate heat levels that trigger thermal throttling within 3 to 5 consecutive runs. Service bulletin documentation obtained through owner freedom of information requests shows carbon fiber motor sleeve wear patterns that prompted a quiet inspection program in late 2021. Motor replacement out of warranty costs $20,000 to $30,000. The carbon ceramic brake option, priced at $20,000, showed rotor cracking under repeated hard use that Tesla initially denied. The active rear spoiler fails at $3,500 to $5,500 per repair. This is a vehicle for buyers with unlimited budgets and direct Tesla service relationships. For everyone else, it is the world's fastest way to spend $130,000 and then spend $20,000 more fixing what broke. But worst number one has destroyed more household budgets than any other Tesla ever produced. And they are still selling thousands of them every month. Worst number one, Tesla Cybertruck, 2023 to present. The most expensive unfinished product in automotive history. The stainless steel body corrodes in normal rain. Tesla issued a care guide warning owners to wipe down their trucks after rain, salt, and bird droppings within weeks of first deliveries. That was a humiliating admission for a vehicle marketed as indestructible. Within the first year, Tesla issued more than 8 separate recalls, including an accelerator pedal recall, where the cover could detach and cause unintended acceleration. Real-world towing range collapses to 100 to 150 miles under load, less than half the advertised figure, for a vehicle whose entire identity is built around being a truck. Stainless steel body repair requires specialized equipment no independent shop possesses, making Tesla the only service option for any damage, regardless of severity. According to J.D. Power data and Cybertruck Owners Club surveys, first-year owners report an average of 4.2 problems per vehicle in the first 90 days, and that is the highest rate of any Tesla ever produced. First-year repair and remediation costs beyond warranty are $3,800 to $6,500. This is not a truck. It is an $80,000 to $100,000 beta test with a bed. The 3 Teslas that will last forever. Best number 3. Tesla Model Y Long-Range All-Wheel Drive, 2022 to present. Tesla's gigacasting process replaced over 300 individual components with single-cast pieces, eliminating hundreds of failure points in one engineering decision. According to Consumer Reports, the post-2022 Model Y long-range ranks in the top quartile of all sport utility vehicles sold in America. Tesla Motors Club tracking across 6,000 vehicles shows 0.8 significant issues per vehicle over the first 50,000 miles, compared to 3.1 for the 2018 to 2020 production window. Battery retention at 100,000 miles is 94%. Annual maintenance costs are $580, lower than a Toyota Camry. But wait until you hear best number 2. This Tesla holds a reliability record no gasoline vehicle from any manufacturer has matched in the past decade. Best number 2, Tesla Model 3 Long-Range RWD, 2021 to 2023. The post-2021 Model 3 Long-Range is one of the most dependable vehicles in its price class from any manufacturer with any powertrain. The redesigned media control unit permanently eliminates the eMMC failure. Plug-in. America Fleet data tracking 4,200 vehicles shows average battery capacity retention of 91.3% at 150,000 miles. The single rear motor configuration reduces drivetrain complexity to the absolute minimum and has proven extraordinarily durable. Annual repair costs are $590. Brake pad replacement is typically not needed until 120,000 miles or beyond. Real-world range is 320 to 340 miles consistently. This is a vehicle that does everything it promises every single time. But best number 1 is what long-term owners call the closest thing to a forever car any manufacturer has produced in the modern era. Best number 1, Tesla Model 3. Highland Long Range, 2024 to present. The Highland is Tesla at the absolute peak of its engineering capability. Ambient lighting, acoustic glass, a 17-speaker audio system, and material quality throughout finally justify the asking price without apology. According to J.D. Power 2024 data, the Highland ranks in the top 10% of all vehicles for initial quality, regardless of segment or powertrain, a score unimaginable for any Tesla 3 years ago. Plug-in America projects 95% battery capacity retention at 100,000 miles for the long-range variant. According to analyst Troy Teslike, whose model covers 15,000 Tesla vehicles, the Highland Long Range has the lowest projected 10-year total ownership cost of any non-commercial vehicle currently on sale in the United States. Annual maintenance is $490. Projected battery replacement before 200,000 miles is less than 4%. This is not just the best Tesla ever built. By the numbers, it is one of the best long-term automotive investments available at any price point today. The recap. The 5 to avoid: Model S from 2012 to 2015, Model X from 2016 to 2020, Model 3 from 2017 to 2019, Model S Plaid from 2021 to 2022, and the Cybertruck from 2023 to present. Every single one was launched before it was truly ready, and buyers paid $3,800 to $30,000 to discover that the hard way. The 3 that last forever: Model Y Long Range, AWD from 2022 to present, Model 3 Long Range RWD from 2021 to 2023, and Model 3 Highland Long Range from 2024 to present. Every one of them proves that Tesla can build genuinely excellent vehicles when engineering discipline comes before launch deadlines. The single most important rule: model year matters more with Tesla than with any other manufacturer on Earth. Verify the build date. Check the forums. Inspect quality in person before you sign anything. The best Teslas on this list will reward you with the lowest total ownership cost of any vehicle you can buy today. The worst will cost you more in repairs than you ever saved on gas. The difference is not luck. It is research. And now you have it. If this video saved you from a 5-figure mistake, smash that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment. Do you own any of these vehicles? Your real-world data helps thousands of buyers make smarter decisions every day. See you in the next video.